everyone, and welcome to my third and final haul video for April. And I'm really glad I'm getting to do this little one in April, because otherwise I would have had to do this in May and I would have had less things for April. But either way, so this is a set of CDs that I bought from a girl on Facebook, and she gave me a really good price for them, so they're all second-hand CDs, but they are the ones that I have been wanting to get for quite a while, so I'm really glad I have them now. The first one, as you can see, is Super Junior's fifth album, so this is the Mr. Simple repackage, and if you've seen my goals video, one of my goals is to collect most, if not all, of Super Junior's full-length albums, so I'm really glad I have this one. And as you can see here, if this focuses, this has 17 tracks on it, which is great. I mean, 17 tracks, that's really good for an album. Right, so that's CD number 1. CD number 2 is 2PM's Hands Up, and this one has 13 tracks on it, and this is 2PM's second studio album, Hands Up, and the first title song is really catchy. I really like the put your hands up, put your hands up. That song is really good. I mean, yeah, so I really like 2PM's voice. They have this kind of I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of a mature sort of a voice, and you'll know what I'm talking about if you've ever heard any of Groan's non-title track songs. Groan is their next full-length album after Hands Up. And then the next CD that I have is Boyfriend's Dance Dance Dance, and this was actually one of the freebies that she gave because I bought 3 things from her, so she said that she would be including one free Japanese album, and this has, as you can see here, 2 tracks and the instrumentals from there, and it's called My Lady, and it's really cute, so I'm actually going to just open it up and show it to you guys. And she even included the little OE strip that comes with the Japanese albums, as some of you may know. And this is the CD, and there's pretty much nothing behind it. Yeah, there's more credits down there. But yeah, so this is my third CD. And the fourth item is kind of special because that is CN Blues live concert DVD, Blue Storm. And of course there was one caveat about this one, that it did not come with the original photo book. So if you opened it here, there was supposed to be a little mini photo book, but it did not come with that, which is why it was as cheap as I got it for. And I'm kind of okay with that. I mean, it's still CN Blue, and it still has both the DVDs in good condition, as you can see, DVD 1 and DVD 2. And yeah, so you have the members behind there, and then you have, if I can get this off, more members there. And I really do love CN Blue, and I really was hoping that I could get one of their concert DVDs, because I have not been able to go to a CN Blue concert, and more likely than not, it'll be a while before I can go to a CN Blue concert. So I just jumped on this opportunity and got this DVD. So this, as I said, is their 2011 concert, Blue Storm. And this one, on the first CD, there are 24 songs, 24 performances, and then there's a special concert making on the second one. And one of the good things is that it has subtitles in both Korean, Japanese, and English. So that's pretty good. And then the runtime for this is 130 minutes. So that's a little over 2 hours. And yeah, I will be looking forward to watching a little more than 2 hours of CN Blue's awesomeness. I feel like CN Blue is one of those bands, because they're a band concept, they would sound amazing live. And it's my dream that one day I'll be able to see CN Blue live. So yeah, there you have it. That is my little haul, my third April haul, and I hope you enjoyed this video, because hopefully tomorrow, because it's the last day of April, I shall be making my April K-pop collection update video, so that'll include all the CDs that I got in the month of April, so all of my 3 hauls together. And probably day after tomorrow, or maybe a couple days after that, the next video that I want to make is my Korean OST collection and my one Japanese OST that I have. No tame kanta bile. So yeah, so please do look forward to that. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Do let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see any of these albums unboxed in detail, or any of the other albums that I own unboxed. Thanks a lot. Happy K-popping.